I will make use of Adobe Photoshop software to create a pre-look board for a look in the collection. I am going to create a pre-look board for an outfit from ready-to-wear collection for the upcoming season. I am going to use visuals and images to represent my design theme and other design ideas like the appearance of the outfit, the trims to be used, and the colors to be used to create this look. The pre-look board in design process is a presentation board that shows the details of every outfit in the fashion collection, the mood or the theme with the help of illustrations, text or other visuals. With this, you can explain the complete styling of the look, add details of the color palette, accessories, jewelry, including the working drawing of the item to be constructed.